today is going to be a quick video, hopefully. I'm just doing my brows today. It's going to be a brow routine and tutorial on how to use the dip brow from Anastasia Beverly Hills for us makeup beginners. And I was super duper a beginner at this dip brow technique, but now I think that I finally got it right, and I'm going to show you my tips and tricks and tools. Everything in this video is Anastasia Beverly Hills except for one product that helps the dip brow. But if you're interested in this video and these brows and how I got the dip brow to work for me, then go ahead and keep watching.
Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and start off with some bare brows. I have all of my makeup on and we're going to start with the Brow Wiz in the shade Medium Brown. It retails for $21 and I usually use the shade Dark Brown, but there are 10 other shades. And in today's video, Medium Brown pairs well with the Dip Brow Medium Brown. So here I am just outlining the brow with the Medium Brow Wiz, and I am creating a natural kind of look, so I'm not going crazy or bold. I'm just filling it in super softly. So now we're going to go ahead and use the Dip Brow in the shade Medium Brown, and because I don't use it all the time, it sometimes gets dry, so in today's video I am showing you how to break it down, and I'm using the Inglot Duraline product, which also kind of breaks down the product, helps it revive. And now I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills 12 brush, which retails for $18, and just softly fill in the brow. And in my opinion, I like to do a little at a time, build up the kind of thickness of the dip brow so that I don't have super thick, unnatural brows. And as you can see, I created that. So now I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlighting Duo Stick in the option Sand Shimmer, which there is another option, I believe it is a yellow tone, but I did get this at BeautyCon, so I'm going to try it out today, and it retails for $23, the most expensive out of the bunch. And then I'm going to use the brush 20 to kind of blend it out, and this retails for $18 as well as the other brush. And this is how I blend out my brow, just making sure that I have that specific shape defined, and then I'm going to go back in with the Brow Wiz just to clean it up and make sure there are no kind of spots. Now I'm going to take the other side of the highlighting stick and just kind of go where the brow bone is, and we have created my brow routine, my natural kind of dip brow, medium brown go-tos.
Okay guys, so that was my video. Hope you enjoyed it. This is my current dip brow for makeup beginners like myself routine and tips and tricks from what I've learned in my experience, and I love it. And I usually use this routine when I'm doing a video. I take more time to make it look a little more put together, because usually I love natural kind of lighter brows. I kind of steered away from the darker kind of brows. As a makeup beginner, I was really timid and scared of color, but as I grow, I keep learning new things, and I learned that soft brown or medium brown is a lighter kind of natural shade for my hair color and skin, my Asian tone skin, my natural black kind of brownish hair. But with the dip brow, for some reason, the dip brow is darker when you apply it. It's a thicker kind of consistency. I do use the Inglot Duraline, or I'll use one of my oils like my Maracuja oil or my organic Physicians Formula oil to revive the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, because if you don't use it very often and you do let it sit or you let it get old, then it will dry out. But for videos and for kind of going out and just making sure that your eyebrows are put together, I would suggest using the dip brow instead of a natural pencil. My preference is the Brow Wiz and even the definer, but again, I actually do love doing the dip brow for professional things like videos and looks and pictures and all that. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you out if you are on this makeup journey with me, and I hope that you really truly just learned something from this, that you don't have to give up on a product if it isn't working for you. I've worked and worked and worked on making this dip brow Anastasia Beverly Hills work for me. I tried it when I was really new, I hated it, and now I feel like, wow, I think I know how to use it correctly. I think it looks good, it doesn't smudge off, it stays there. So, hope this video inspired you not to give up on some products. But yeah, that was my video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys!